Hey, what's up guys? Black Sheep here, and earlier this week, Synergy came out from Upper Deck. Be opening up this box, checking out this brand new product. I don't think Upper Deck's ever done this product before, Synergy, but I'm excited to see what we get. You only get 3 cards per pack, and there's only 8 cards per box. Also, I'm going to be giving away this Eric Comrie Clear Young Gun to the winner of my Upper Deck Series 2 contest winner, and I will do that right after the break. Contest ended a little while ago, but I just have not had time to do the random drawing, so I decided to do it during the Synergy break. So let's go ahead and open this up. I don't have to bring my scissors today, so if I can use my fingers to get this box open. Again, this came out earlier this week. I'm just opening it now. There we go, got it open. Uh-oh, we have this tape here. Let's see if I can just, sadly, you're gonna have to bust through it. There we go. And here we are, Synergy. Let's see, I just gotta check one thing. All right, I think we're good. All right, here is the first pack of Synergy. And we have Ivan Barbashev. Really shiny card. Good looking card. And that's a rookie card. And yeah, it's like acetate and you have like see-through parts of it. Pretty cool. Looks like we have a scratcher here. I'm not sure what that's for. I'll have to look later. Zetterberg and impact players of Sagan. All right, these are cool. Definitely new design, flashy, acetate and foil at the same time. So pretty sweet. All right, let's go ahead and do this next pack. Marc-Andre Fleury with him in the Golden Knights jerseys. Pretty cool. Lucas Wallmark rookie and exceptional talent acetate looking card of Carey Price. All right, very nice. All right, continuing on, Ryan Johansson, Leon Draisaitl, and another one of those exceptional talents, Ryan Getzlaf. Definitely a fun looking set. I'm liking it so far. Definitely different for Upper Deck. I appreciate them stepping out and doing a set like this. Okay, Calle Rosen rookie, Christian Djoos rookie, and noteworthy newcomers Martin Necas. Okay, let's continue on. Ryan Getzlaf, regular base. Logan Brown, an impact player of Daniel Sedin. Okay. Crosby. Why is that not in focus? Here we go. Crosby. Pat LaFontaine, so we got some classic players in here. Wait for that to focus. Actually, since it's not focusing, I am going to, well, there it goes. And Max Pacioretty. Super shiny cards, pretty cool. Okay. All right, rookie of Tim Heed. Another Marc-Andre Fleury card, so a double, I think. Career spanning Ray Bourque. All right, and this is the final pack right here. No hits yet. I'll have to see if you're guaranteed any hits. Ryan Johansson again. Brock Boeser, this is a nice one. Rookie card. I don't see any numbering on it. And Brendan Lemieux. So there you have it, one box of the new Upper Deck Synergy. I'll be giving away a card from this break, just like I always do. If you leave a comment down below telling me what you thought of Upper Deck Synergy, and also what you thought of my review of Upper Deck Synergy, love to hear it. Please include the words "I'm in" if you want to be in the contest, just like always. Here we go. I'm going to be giving away this Eric Comrie Clear Young Gun. Let's go over to the computer. And I have random.org all ready to go. We're going to randomize this 3 times, and the top person is our winner. 1, 2, and 3. Andrew Mitchell. Andrew Mitchell, congratulations, you're the winner. Please private message me through YouTube your full name and full address, and I'll get that card out to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.